How to change time zone to Europe on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it to Europe on BeReal. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here. Then click these 3 points and then click time zone. Here you will find it. Settings, here is it. And once you're here, all you need to do, you will find it like that or something else. Then just click Europe and click save and change to Europe, and that's it. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.